The integrated development environments IDE for Visual Studio Code now offer a brand new, interactive, agentic coding experience called Amazon Q Developer. Now, as you write code, write documentation, run tests, and review changes, you have a natural, real-time collaborative companion by your side. User queries can be translated and simultaneously saved for instant fraud analysis using a tool that uses LLM translation. Gemini Flash and Pro models can simultaneously produce answers in response to user inquiries. Gemini Flash can handle simpler financial queries, whereas Gemini Pro can be used for more complex ones. The example solution shows how you can improve your entire security posture and speed up inquiry and analysis by utilizing task-oriented Amazon Bedrock agents and natural language input. Amazon Science introduced SERA, a technique for reducing misleading correlations for self-reviewing and alignment, at this year's International Conference on Learning Representations (ICLR). A complete cloud-native application protection platform (CNAPP), Prisma Cloud Palo Alto offers security and compliance coverage for workloads, apps, and infrastructure in public, private, hybrid, and multi-cloud settings. For more such content, subscribe to our channel.